Real quick, guys. Today I am going to share with you guys another powerful strategy that is working very powerful on volatility 75, guys. Look at this here, guys. You see this? You see what is going on? This is the testing of this indicator. This is the testing of this strategy, guys. All right. This is the testing of this strategy. I am not sharing with you guys what is not working. Right, this is the testing of this strategy. I want every one of you to look at this. Look at this, guys. All right, this strategy is very accurate, very powerful. So far you follow my instructions properly, guys, you will make a lot of money using this strategy, guys. This is how this strategy works. Let me break it down to you guys, because I believe most of you will not understand what we are saying here. As soon as you spot something like this, guys, look at this here. As soon as you spot something like this, that this black line crosses the middle line of Bollinger Band, guys, if this is for sale, if the signal that you are seeing is for sale, as soon as it crosses, what you will do is you open your position for sale. You see how long that trade went, and look at the time frame that is here. All right, imagine you open a position here on this particular zone, and this is 1 hour time frame, and also this is volatility 75 as well. Guys, do you know how much you might have made here? So that is it, guys. It's better you follow who knows how to do this thing properly, guys. Look at the test run of what I'm showing you now. Let's look for another option here. Look at another one here, guys. Look at this here. All right, look at this here. As soon as this crossover happened here, like the black line crosses the middle line of this Bollinger Band here, what you see is here, guys, will amaze you. Look at this. All right, and it keeps going down. It keeps going down. You can see that. You can see how long the trend went. So guys, this is the best strategy so far that I believe you can grow your $10 account to any amount. So far you follow my instructions. All right, what kills most of you out there is that you do not want to follow instructions. You do things your own way, and at the end of the day you keep complaining that you are not making money from the market. Guys, this is the best strategy ever that I will recommend for every one of you out there that have a small account size. All right, so this strategy you can comfortably use it to grow your small account size, guys. This is very accurate. So far you follow my instruction. Look at it again and again, guys. Before you start using this strategy on your $10 account, I want you to test it out on your demo account, guys, and see how this strategy really works. This is very accurate. Look at this. As soon as that black crosses the middle line of that Bollinger Band, what did you see? Look at it here. All right, it's very simple. Okay, let's go back to lower time frame. Let's go to probably 15-minute time frame and see. Look at this here. You see this particular trader is selling. Look at this here. As soon as the black line crosses that middle line of Bollinger Band, guys, look at it. Look at the heavy sell. All right, look at the heavy sell, and it's still selling. All right, so let's still go to probably 5-minute time frame. Maybe you will understand it properly, guys. All right, look at it. You see that when this sell that is happening right now started was when this thing crossed each other here, when the black line crossed the blue line there. That is when this heavy sell that you are seeing right now started selling. All right, for 5-minute time frame, sorry. All right, so that is how this works, guys. Look at what this indicator is. Look at what the strategy is producing. You can see that. All right, I am not showing you, or I'm not sharing with you guys what is not working. Look at 5-minute time frame here. Look at the 5-minute time frame, and look at the crossover here. All right, as soon as you spot that black line crosses the middle line of Bollinger Band, guys, open your trade. All right, comfortably open your trade. And before you start opening trade anyhow, as I said, please make sure you analyze this market. Make sure you check from higher time frame and see the trends that you are heading to, or where the price action is heading to, or where the market structure is heading to. That is when you'll be comfortably trading like this. All right, all these things will be clear to you. All right, it can even assist you detect where the market is consolidating. Look at this zone here. Look at this place here. All right, look at this place here. You see, But when he sees something like this, all right, look at this, all right, look at this, guys. What are we saying? Just be patient and be patient and get one of the accurate signal, one of the best trend. Once you trade one of these trend or one of these signals here, you will not need to trade more again for that day. All right, so it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. I keep saying this: there is no shame or there is no harm in you trying to learn how to trade profitably and successfully. Most of you want to, or most of you have this IQ of, okay, I want to start trading profitably, whereas you do not know how to do this profitably. If you want me to teach you how to trade profitably, guys, it's very free. It's easy. All right, it's very easy. All you just need to do is contact me in the one of the description, one of the contact information that will be in the description of this video. I will definitely teach you how to trade profitably and successfully. All right, so this is one of the things that you will learn, guys. Look at all these things. Look at all these things. You will learn how to come up with indicators like this that will be giving you thousands and thousands of dollar and all that, depending on your currency. All right, so what I'm saying in essence is this: if you do not know how to trade and you want me to mentor you on how to trade profitably and successfully and how you can be doing something like this, guys, I want you to contact me in the one of my contact information that will be in the description of this video. I will definitely help you out. All right, so I'm going to share these settings with you, but before we do that, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, or if today is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Olites from Global FX, and what I do here is whenever I test any strategy that is working very fine and is very accurate, I come here and share it with you guys so that you too will test it out and use it to milk the market as well. All right, so being said that, if this is your first time, as I said earlier on, and you are just hearing my voice for the first time, I want you to do me that favor and smash that like button, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload content like this, you will be among the first that will be notified that I've dropped another content that will help you progress in trading. And meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I wonder what you will be waiting for. I want you to smash that subscribe button and share this video to your loved ones and friends that are also struggling to make money trading volatility 75, and let them know that I am here to help every one of them succeed in trading this volatility 75. All right, so there are many funds to be made here trading volatility 75. Trading volatility 75 is like you are trading gold, guys. It's very profitable if he knows how to do it very well. So this can alleviate you from poverty in a twinkling of an eye. So it all depends on you. If you follow who knows how to do it very well, that is when it's going to happen. But if you don't know, or you are following the wrong person, or you're following the wrong strategy, guys, there is no way you're going to make money trading this. All right, so with that being said, guys, let me share with you guys how to set your screen this way. All right, just click on this F icon here. Once you click on the F icon here, the first indicator that you're going to add is our Bollinger Band. All right, click on the Bollinger Band, look at the setting. The period is 15, deviation is 2.000, shift is 0, apply to weighted close, guys. Be careful, don't set another thing here. All right, be careful. And styles 4 pixel, I used pink. You can use color of your choice or any color that you will be able to identify. Once you done that, you click done. All right, you go back to the F icon again, you add our Ichimoku. Now this is where the whole magic happens. All right, this is where the whole magic happens. So this particular place here, this is what I want you to be careful of. All right, when you are setting a screen, the taken scene is 9, the Kujin scene is 9, then second span B is 20. All right, here, all right, here must be here is filled. All right, so now this particular place, again, that is the another place that I want you to take proper caution of. Look at this place. This taken scene 4 pixel, you use color that you'll be able to identify. The same thing to Kunyu scene 4 pixel. I use black and red. You can use color that you'll be able to identify. Then the rest should be color of your background. All right, the rest should be color of your background. So that is how you're going to set that up. And after setting this up, click on here, and this is how you're going to see your screen, guys. That is it. If you want me to mentor you, as I said earlier on, all you just need to do is contact me, and I will do all I can to put you through on how to be trading profitably and successfully. So that is it, guys. Signing out. All it is. Peace.